is Alex. Today we're gonna unbox this Weilong V9. So it took a long time for this cube to come, and I've been waiting this for a whole time, and I got duped so many times with other packages like foot spray. So let's go. Let's open it. Whatever. Okay. Why is it so cold? Oh, that's why. It's winter time. The cube is so cold. Okay, so that was a hard unboxing of that. So we're gonna, I didn't show the cube yet. So now we're gonna unbox these utensils, which is a very like GAN designing box. I opened that so wrong. I know this might be boring though, because there's like so much stuff in here. I saw this on YouTube. But this is unboxing. So I think we can use that later. So in the cube, let's check out the adjustment or not. Okay, ready? First turns. It's pretty good. It might need some lubrication though. It's way too fast and very stiff. Just like how a Weilong should be. So there's a screwdriver. So we're gonna do a solve. I gotta go use this. I already messed up the cross. It's way too fast. I'm gonna get like a 30 something. I really have to get used to this. That's a 28. We're gonna do one more solve and then we're gonna end the video. Yeah, I got a 30, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the like button. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!